Hi guys, Saravanaa Tuition Centers welcomes you once again for an interesting learning for Class 10 CBSC Mathematics. So today we are going to learn Introduction to Trigonometry Part 2. If any student is new to this video, please go and check out Part 1 so that you will have a better explanation. Okay? Life is short. Spend it with people who bring out the best in you, not the worst in you. From Brahma Kumaris, and let's go ahead. So these are the reasons why we took this video. Okay, let's move on. So today we are going to learn about trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. So the specific angles are 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. So now let's begin. You already familiarly with the constructions of angles of 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. In this section, we will find the values of trigonometric ratios for these angles and of course for 0 degree. So first, with trigonometric ratios of 45 degree. In triangle ABC, right angled at B, if one angle is 45 degree, that is angle A is 45 degree. Okay, 45 degree, then the other angle will also be 45 degree. How? So if this is a triangle, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals 180 degree AMS property. Okay, angle A is 45, angle B is 90. Totally it is 135. When you subtract 180 minus 135, then you would get 45 degrees. So angle C is also 45 degrees. Okay, we have found that angle C is 45 degrees. So angle A equals angle C equals 45 degrees. Okay, so if angle A and angle C are equal, then the two sides will be equal, right? This is an isosceles triangle. AB equals BC, right? So we have found that angle A equals angle C, AB equals BC, and then we move on. Now you need to take these two sides, AB and BC, as A. A is just an variable. Okay? By using Pythagoras Theorem, AB square plus BC square equals AC square. You know AB is A, BC is also A centimeter. So A square plus A square equals 2A square, and that is AC equals root 2A. Okay? We have found that AC equals root 2A, and using the definitions of trigonometric ratios, we have sine 45, sine opposite by hypotenuse. So angle A, sine A, BC by AC, right? BC is A and AC is root 2A. So it's 1 by root 2, got it. Cos 45, cos degrees from A, adjacent AB by AC. So it's AB is A and AC is A root 2, and it's also 1 by root 2. Okay? Tan is opposite side by adjacent side. From angle A, this is opposite, BC is opposite, and AB is adjacent. So A by A equals 1. We have found that. Okay, this is the simple thing we have learned till now. And now cosecant A. Cosecant A is ulta of 1 sine A. Cosecant A is ulta of sine A. So cosecant 45 is ulta of sine 45, that is root 2. Secant 45 is ulta of cos 45. So it is also root 2. Cot 45 is also ulta of tan 45. So 1 ulta is 1. We have found everything. Now moving on to the next trigonometric ratio. Trigonometric ratios of 30 and angle 60. Let us now calculate the trigonometric ratios of 30° and 60°. Consider an trigonometric ratios of 30° and 60°. If you take a triangle ABC, ABC is a triangle that is equilateral triangle. In an equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal. So angle B equals, angle A equals, angle C equals 60°. AD is a perpendicular bisector to BC. We have drawn AD, a perpendicular bisector to BC, where a perpendicular bisector from an angle to a side divides the angle into equal halves. So the 60° when divided twice is 30 degrees and 30 degrees. So when you see a triangle similarity ABD and ADC, angle B equals angle C. Okay. This side AC equals AB and AD equals, that is common. So by using SAS similarities, you can prove that triangle ABD is corresponding to triangle ACD. Okay. So by CPCT, angle BAD equals angle DAC. They have proved it that angle BAD equals angle DAC. So now triangle ABD is right angled triangle. Right angled at D here. Right angled at D. With angle BAD equals 30°. BAD equals 30°. And angle ABD equals 60°. A, B and D. 60°. Okay. So, as you know, for finding the trigonometric ratios, we need to know the lengths of the sides of the triangle. So, let us suppose that AB equals 2A. They have given that AB equals 2A. Okay. So, AB equals to A, BC equals to A, and AC equals to A, because these three angles are equal as they are from an equilateral triangle. So BD, this side, BD is half of BC, right? BD is half of BC as AD is a perpendicular bisector of BC. So BD is A. BD is A. DC is A. AC is 2A. And BA is 2A. Okay. So we have found that. And then, so by using Pythagoras theorem now, BD square plus AD square equals BA square. Okay. Or you can like use, no, not like that. We are using, yeah, that is Pythagoras theorem. BD square plus AD square equals AB square. But we don't know AD. So that we are going to use this like going to take BD to RHS to solve the equation. And you get that AD equals root 3A. So by using this, sine 30 is from like A. Sine 30 from angle A is BD by AB. This is opposite by hypotenuse. So that is A by 2A. Okay. When A gets cancelled, it will be 1 by 2. Similarly for cos 30, it is adjacent by hypotenuse, and that is A root 3 by 2A. A gets cancelled and root 3 by 2 is the answer. Tan 30 is opposite by adjacent, that is BD by AD, that equals A by A root 3, and when A gets cancelled, it will be 1 root 3. So similarly, cosecant 30 is ulta of sine 30, right? So cosecant 30 is ulta of sine 30's answer, 1 by 2. So cosecant 30 is 2, and secant 30 is ulta of cos 30. So secant 30's answer will be 2 root 3. Cot 30 is the ulta of tan 30, and the answer would be root 3. Okay, so now we are going to use sine 60 from angle B. Sine 60 opposite by hypotenuse, that is AD by AB, that equals root 3 by 2A, root 3A by 2A. When A gets cancelled, root 3 by 2 comes. Cos 60, cos 60 is adjacent by hypotenuse, adjacent is BD and hypotenuse is AB. A by 2A, when A gets cancelled, it will be 1 by 2. Tan 60, tan 60 is opposite by adjacent, right? Opposite is root 3 and adjacent is A, or root 3 by root 3 by A. So A gets cancelled and it will be root 3. So cosecant 60, cosecant 60 is ulta of sine 60. So cosecant 60's answer will be ulta of sine 60's answer. So it will be 2 root 3, 2 by root 3. Secant 60 is the ulta of cos 60. So secant 60's answer will be ulta of cos 60's answer, that is 2. Cot 60 is ulta of tan 60, and the answer of cot 60 will be ulta of tan 60, that is 1 by root 3. Okay, now moving on. Trigonometric ratios of 0 degree and 90 degree. Okay, just imagine when this angle A decreases till 0 degree. When this angle decreases till 0 degree, the length of CB will be decreasing. Okay, the length of CB will be decreasing. And when these angles get decreasing and decreasing and decreasing, the angle C gets increasing and increasing and increasing. So at last, the AC will come in the same line of AB. And then we will be finding the things like for sine theta, sine 0 degree, sine from angle A, sine 0 degree, opposite by adjacent, opposite is CB, adjacent, sorry, opposite by hypotenuse, CB by AC, that is CB by AC. And next, that is 0, cos 0 degree, that equals 1. By using this, you need to find tan theta, cot theta, like tan equals opposite by adjacent, cot equals 1 by tan, that is ulta of tan, secant equals ulta of cos, cosecant equals ulta of sine. And by using this, we can find the rest of the values for 0 degree. And now I'll just tell the degrees of sine 0 degree. Sine degrees of sine 0 degree. Sine 0 degree is 0, cos 0 degree is 1, tan 0 degree is 0, cosecant not defined, secant A is 1 and cot is not defined. Okay. So before that, we need to do 90 degree. Okay, this angle. So we are going to take this angle. When you see this angle A getting bigger and bigger, you could find that the length of AB decreases and the angle of C also decreases. So in this case, the A will be coming at last to B and form an angle as 90 degree. So from this, we could see that sine 90 equals 1 and cos 90 equals 0. So by using this, you need to find tan, cot, cosecant, secant. These four you should find from these answers by substituting tan equals sine by cos, cot equals 1 by tan, cosecant equals 1 by sine, secant equals 1 by cos. Okay, so moving on to the next slide. So this is the table you need to know about is sine A is 0 degree. For 0 degree is 0. For 30 degrees 1 by 2. 45 degree 1 by root 2. 60 degree root 3 by 2. And for 90 degree is 1. Cos A 0 degree is 1. 30 degree is root 3 by 2. 45 degrees 1 by root 2. And 60 degrees 1 by 2. And 90 degree is 0. Similarly, you need to Similarly, you need to substitute sin A and cos A to find tan A, cosecant A, secant A, and cot A. Okay, so now moving on to the next slide. So before that, I will tell one thing, that sin A, you find that sin 0 degree is 0 and the cos 90 degree is 0, right? These two are similar. And sin 30 degrees 1 by 2 and sin cos 45 degrees 1 by 2. So you could find that the angles, that the degrees of sine is the ulta of cos. Okay. Now by using these two things, you could find tan A, cosecant A, secant A, and cot A. They also have similarity, like tan A is the ulta of cot A. Okay. And cosecant A is the ulta of secant A in this table. Okay. So next, we will move to the next slide. Now we are entering into the sums. Example 6. In triangle ABC, right angled at B. See, right angled at B here. AB is 5 centimeter and angle ACB is 30 degrees. Determine the lengths of side BC and AC. So we need to find BC and AC. So we would easily find it. Use tan 30 formula. Tan 30 is opposite by adjacent, right? Opposite is 5 degrees. Tan 30, what is the value of tan 30? 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 equals 5 by BC. So BC is 5 root 3. Okay, we got it. 5 root 3 centimeters. And by using AB and BC, you need to use Pythagoras theorem. AB square plus BC square equals AC square. So 5 square plus 5 root 3 square equals AC square, and AC equals 10 centimeter. We got it. And now we are moving to the next question. Example 7. In triangle PQR, right angled at Q, you could see that Q is the right angle. PQ is 3 centimeter and PR is 6 centimeter. Determine angle QPR, QPR and PRQ. So given. So this is so simple. Now we will find from angle R. Angle R we are going to find. From angle R, sine angle R equals opposite by hypotenuse, right? So 3 by 6 equals sine R. And when you cancel this, you get 1 by 2. And that is sine 30. So this is 30 degrees. And by using the AMS property, 90 plus 30, 120 degrees. So the rest angle will be 60 degree, right? By using AMS property, you can find the angle P. And now we have done the question. Let's move on to the next question. Example 8. If sine A minus B equals 1 by 2, cos A plus B equals 1 by 2, and 0 degrees less than A plus B and more than and equal to 90 degrees, angle A is greater than angle B, find A and B. These things are the clue for this question. Okay, so since they have taken as sine A minus B equals 1 by 2, which angle is 1 by 2 for sine? Angle sine 30 is 1 by 2. Okay, so we have found that A minus B equals 1 by 2. And which angle gives 1 by 2 for cos? The angle gives is 60 degree for angle cos. So A plus B equals 60. By solving the question, A minus B equals 30 degree. And A plus B equals 60 degree. Okay, changing the sign. Minus, minus, minus. Okay. A will be get cancelled. Minus B equals minus 30. And both the sides, the minus will be cancelled. And angle B equals minus to be the no. Okay. A will be cancelled and that will be minus 2B, that equals minus 30. And both the minus from the left hand side and right hand side will be cancelled, and 2 will go and divide 30, and angle B will be 30. When you substitute angle B equals 15 in any one equation, you would find that angle A equals 45 degree. Simple question. So let's move into the exercise 8.2 for today. Okay. Evaluate the following. Sine 60 degree plus cos 30 degree plus sine 30 degree into cos 60 degree equals what? So what is sine 60? Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Okay. Into cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Plus sine 30. What is sine 30? Sine 30 is 1 by 2. And what is cos 30? Sorry, cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So root 3 into root 3 will be 3. Okay. By 2 into 2 equals 4. Plus 1 into 1 equals 1. And 2 into 2 by equals 4. And then when you add it, it will be 4 by 4. And when you cancel it, you get the answer 1. So the answer for first question is 1. See? Answer is 1. So now next question. 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sine square 60 degree. What is the answer? So now we need to get tan 45 degree. What is tan 45 degree? It is 1. Okay. Cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. And then sine 60 degree. Sine 60 degree also root 3 by 2. So we need to add in 1 tan square 45 degree into 2 plus cos square 30 degree minus sine square 60 degree. So the answer we get is 2 plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4, and these two will get cancelled and answer is 2. See? Answer is 2. Okay, now let's move on to the third question. Cos 45 degree by secant 30 degree plus cosecant 30 degree. So what is cos 45? Cos 45 is 1 by root 2, right? Cos 45 is 1 by root 2 divided by secant 30. What is secant 30? Secant 30 is 2 by root 3 plus cosecant 30. Cosecant 30 is 2 plus 2, right? So this is the thing. Now then when you get the answer like here, you get it like here. 1 by root 2, you need to take root 3 as a common denominator, that is 2 plus 2 root 3 by root 3. Okay, then you take the root 3 upside. You take the root 3 to the numerator, and 1 by 2 into root 3 by 2 plus root 3. You are taking 2 as common. You take it out. Okay, then you multiply in 2 with root 2 and get 2 root 2. Then the answer is root 3 by 2 root 2 into root 3 plus 1. Okay, and then it's not over. Okay, so you take this, you cross multiply root 3 plus 1. That is, you need to cross root 3 minus 1 into by root 3 minus 1, and you get root 3 minus 1 in by 2 root 2 3 minus 1. That is 3 minus root 3 by 2 root 2 into 2. Okay, then now multiply root 2 on the upside and downside, cross multiply. You get 3 root 2 minus 3 root 2 by 8, and take 3 root 2 into 2 root 2, that is root 6, and you get 3 root 2 minus root 6 by 8. Okay, so I'll just go once again. Cos 45 degree by secant 30 degree plus cosecant 30 degree is the question. Cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Secant 30 is 2 by root 3. Cosecant 30 is 2. When you substitute the cos 45 is 1 by root 3, secant 30 as 2 by root 3, and cosecant 30 as 2, you get this equation, and further you need to solve it to get the answer. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. Sine 30 plus tan 45 minus cosecant 60 by secant 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45 equals what? So sine 30 is 1 by 2, tan 45 is 1, cosecant 60 is 2 by root 3, secant 30 is 2 by root 3, cos 60 is 1 by 2, and cot 45 is 1. So substitute these value instead of this. You get this equation. Okay. Then you need to further simplify, and then get your answer. Your last answer will be 43 minus 24 root 3 by 11. Okay. Now next, we can go to the next question. 5 cos square 60 plus 4 secant square 30 degrees minus tan square 45 by sine square 30 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees equals what? Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Secant 30 is 2 by root 3. Tan 45 is 1. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Now substitute the values in the given problems we get. You need to substitute these things in the given problem and you need to simplify it and get the answer. The answer is 67 by 12. So guys, you need to use the table. You need to mug up the trigonometric ratios table so that then only you can do these types of questions immediately, quickly and fast. Okay? So we have entered the second question. Choose the correct option and justify your choice. 2 tan 30 by 1 plus tan square 30 equals what? So what is tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3, okay? 1 by root 3 into 2 by 1 plus 1 by root 3 square is 1 by 3. So in the next question, see, 2 into 1 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by root 3 whole square equals 2 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by 3. That equals 2 by root 3 equals 4 by 3. Because you need to take 3 as total LCM, total denominator, and you get 4 by 3 in the denominator. Now take root 3 down and get the 3 upside. So you get 6 by 4 root 3 and that is root 3 by 2. So what is the answer? The answer is which angle gives root 3 by 2? Sine 60 gives root 3 by 2. So the answer is sine 60. Okay. The next question. 1 minus tan square 45 by 1 plus tan square 45 equals what? So let's see what is tan 45. Tan 45 is 1. So 1 minus 1 by 1 plus 1 equals 0 by 2. That equals 0. And the answer will be 0. Okay. So next question. Sine 2a equals 2 sine a is true when a equals. So you need to find the angle A. For that, you first need to take sine 2a equals 2 sine a. Okay? Sine 2a equals sine 0 degree, that equals 0. When 2 sine a equals 2 sine 0 degree, then 2 into 0 equals 0. Or you can do like this. 2 sine a equals 2 sine a cos a, right? 2 sine a cos a, and then 2 sine a cos a equals 2 sine a. 2 cos a equals 2. Cos a equals 1. So now we have to check to get the solution as 1. Which degree value has to be applied when 0 degree is applied to cos value? Cos 0 equals 1. Therefore, angle A is the option. Correct option. Okay. Next. Sine. We have finished this. Next, fourth one. 2 tan 30 by 1 minus tan square 30. What is tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. 2 by root 3 equals, by 1 minus 1 by 3. So now you need to take 3 as a common LCM. That is 2 by root 3 equal by 2 by root 3 by 2 by 3. So you need to take 6 by 2 root 3. That is 2 gets cancelled here. 3 by root 3. Now cross multiply with root 3. 3 into root 3 by 3, then cancel. Root D is the answer. And which angle has root 3? Cot 30 degree. Okay, cot 30 degree has root 3 and tan 60 degree has root 3, but unfortunately here there is only tan 60 degree, and this is the correct option. Okay, let's move on. See? Okay, third question. If tan and a plus b equals root 3, tan a minus b equals 1 by root 3, 0 degree is smaller than a plus b and smaller and equal to 90 degree. Angle A is bigger than angle B. Find A and B. This you saw in an example, right? You saw this in an example sum. Where root 3, where do you find root 3? You find in tan 60. So A plus B equals 60 degree. And A minus B equals 30 degree because 1 by root 3 is tan 30, okay? Then now you need to solve the question by like A plus B equals 60 degree, A minus B equals 30 degrees. Now change the signs, plus turns minus, minus turns plus, and again plus turns minus. Then you get A gets cancelled, right? B gets 2B, that equals 30 degrees, and B equals 15. And when you substitute B equals 15 in any equation like A plus B equals 60, you get A as 45 and B as 15. Got it? Okay, we are going to end the class now. We have last question, true or false question. Sine A plus B equals sine A plus sine B. Is that right? Yeah. It's not right. So this is the last question we are going to do. Sine A plus B equals sine A plus sine B. Is that true or false? It is false. Let us take A as 30 degree. They are taking angle A as 30 degree and angle B as 60 degree. When 30 degrees plus 60 degrees is added, it is 90 degree, right? And sine 30 plus sine 60. What is sine 30 plus sine 60? It is 1 by root 3 by 2. And 1 by 2 plus 1 by root 3 by 2 equals 1 plus root 3 by 2. So note, it's not equal. Got it? So next, the value of sine theta increases as theta increases. Yes, true. According to the values obtained as per the unit circle, the values of sine are sine 0 degree is 0. Sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Sine 90 is 1. It is that it gets increased and not decreasing. Okay. Now, value of cos theta increases as theta increases. Now let's see. No, it doesn't. You see sine like sine is the ulta of cos. If sine increases, then cos decreases, right? So this is false. Sine theta equals cos theta for all values of theta. I don't think so. Yeah, it's false because sine 0 degree is 0. But cos 0 degree is 1, right? It's not equal, right? So the statement is false. Cot A is not defined for A equals 0 degree. Yeah, it's true. Since cot function is the reciprocal of tan function, it is also written as cot A equals cos A by sin A. Now substitute A as 0. If A is 0, cot 0 degree equals cos 0 degree by sin 0 degree, that equals 1 by 0. This is undefined, hence it is true. So now we are going to end the class. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, like and share, and give a thumbs up if you like it. Doubts can be cleared in comment box, and royalty is born when you adorn simplicity. From Brahma Kumaris, and the part 3 of the trigonometric introduction to trigonometry will be taught in the next class. And if any student is new to this video, please see all the parts for better understanding. And thank you guys. Bye.